There is another way you can create people and organizations in SwiftFox via the data importer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Data importer sounds a little bit spreadsheety. It is. But once you import, you can enjoy the sweet comfort of knowing that your data is safe and way better looking in SwiftFox. Now let's dive into how you can import your data into SwiftFox. You need to prepare and clean your data thoroughly before importing it. What does that mean? Well, firstly, make sure all your information is accurate. So check every name, every email, mobile. You're importing this data for longevity, so take the time to make sure that it's right. Ensure that all the column headings match with custom fields in SwiftFox. So if you're tracking member type on a spreadsheet, make sure this is the same custom field in SwiftFox. Important. Check the guidelines and an example sheet right here within our data importer tool. Step 2, once your data is checked, triple checked, and then checked again, save your Excel sheet as a CSV. Step 3, import your data. Select the plus button on the top right of your SwiftFox page and select Import Data. Then select either People and Organizations or just Organizations, depending on what data you will be importing. Today, I'm going to upload People. We'll drag and drop our CSV onto the page and select Next. Step 4, find your match. Select your matching criteria to determine how the importer will match people in your sheet to your current SwiftFox database. Here, we recommend full name and contact information, but SwiftFox provides several options to choose from. Step 5. Now you must match each column within your imported sheet to a SwiftFox custom field. Exact matches between the column headings and SwiftFox will automatically be matched. Here, we can see that all but one of our spreadsheet columns have matched. DOB was short for date of birth, so we'll match it with the appropriate field in SwiftFox. Warning, any columns left without a SwiftFox field match will be skipped and not imported. Okay, now select Next. Step 6, it's our turn. SwiftFox will analyze the importer file and then provide a full table of all rows that will be imported. Do one final check. Make sure you review any of the highlighted fields. These are areas that SwiftFox thinks are empty, incomplete, or incorrectly formatted. Here, you can filter by record status to easily find certain field types. Import status will highlight whether this row will be imported or skipped. And Profile Match shows whether a row matches an existing profile in SwiftFox. The moment has arrived. Once you have completed your final check, select Import. Make sure to keep this page open until the import is complete. So now you're done. You made it. Now enjoy a world of contact and organization profiles.